Hey guys, today I'll be doing a sneeze prank in public. Yes, my very first prank. So for those of you who don't know what a sneeze prank is, I'll basically be using this spritz bottle and a plastic bag. I'll place this in the plastic bag, and when I walk by somebody, I'll spray this. They'll think that I was sneezing on them, but it was actually this thing. I will be getting help from my friend Jeremiah, and hope you guys will enjoy. And without further ado, my video, which should appear after this. Hold on.
When Rome's in ruins, we are the lions, free of the Colosseums. In poison places, we are anti-venom. We're the beginning of the end. Tonight, the foxes hunt the hounds. It's all over now, before it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Come on, make it easy. Say I never mattered. Run it up the flagpole. We will teach you how to make boys next door out of assholes. Tonight, the foxes hunt the hounds. And it's all over now, before it has begun. We've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Americana, exotica. Do you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby?
I thought it was hilarious. I knew you guys were doing something. I thought it was funny. As soon as I saw the model, I was like, oh, this is a sneeze prank. So, don't do it to like from a dog. You would tell the Twitter. I used to go like, because I walk by. I used to